All right, guys, so we're out here at Gen Tundra's house. Check out his Instagram. He does all his social media on there as of right now. So he's gonna do kind of a cool perspective on the exact same thing I'm gonna show you. Mine's a little more in depth, but we're out here gonna be doing a Viper Cut on the new Gen Tundra 22 and up. So make sure to watch the whole way through because we're gonna be kind of doing a semi step-by-step. Should be relatively easy. And if you guys want to see me do one on my Toyota Tacoma, comment below because I kind of want to do it, but bumpers sound pretty cool too. So in the meantime, let's get to it. So for reference, guys, make sure to take the felt liner on the backside off. That way we can possibly push it back up. And then this should be a clip up in here. So we might have to grab like either that or it's like a...
It is clipped.
Yep, it is clipped. So on the front fascia portion of the grill, there's gonna be some clips underneath. We're about to get to that in a second. He's double checking everything. All right, so it's 6 inches is what we're going with.
6.
From bottom to the cut.
5 3/4.
So make sure to take off that back felt piece. That way you can reuse it. I think it's at what, 10 mil?
Yeah.
10 mil, and then we'll figure out what the clip is. If it's just a clip or we'll do something funky with it. How's it looking inside?
Couple Phillips, and that should get the rest of this off. Right? So 2 Phillips and 1 10 mil bolt that holds this to the trim piece.
There it is. So for reference for the Tundra boys out there, when you're doing this, it should be, you can follow the body line. You can kind of see where the fender like starts right at the bottom, and you can see a natural body line. So that's kind of what you want to do, is you want to kind of follow that line and keep your front fascia. That kind of does the little hook for the thing. So it's loud, but anyways, so that's what you want to do, is you want to kind of keep that angle going, which is pretty much a straight angle, so it's not too hard, and it should take about 10 minutes to do. So last but not least, there's a little bit of the felt left. We thought we could pin it, but we can't. So if you fold it and then cut it and cut down, there we go. So this is 100% optional. We have some trim with, looks like 3M adhesive on the inside, and you can either line it, or if you sand it, it will look really nice like it is. So we're just gonna give it a good old test and see which one we like better. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I think it looks great. Gives a little extra character, a little more room to play. And it is hot, so we are done. Well, I guess maybe off to my truck, so stay tuned for that one.